Classic day trading price action today on the ES, on levels, initial balance, and VWAP. We've talked about that all the time lately here on our YouTube channel as well at viperfutures.com. And again, what do we got? What happened here? Initial balance took off and finalized here at about 9:30 with this candle, and we had a sell right into off to VWAP. First big move, which is a special prop trading strategy, went long for another 10 points here. My Ninja Trader crashed right at this candle. Unfortunately, didn't get back up to the middle of this candle. So then I had to wait her out. And this is 5-minute charts, and I have volumetric footprint charts on my order flow in Ninja Trader. And what I do is I had to wait. What I had to wait for was a bounce off of the order flow, the initial balance. And I took a slow, steady ride looking at the absorption that sellers were facing again here, where they tried to sell back into that IB. And there was a lot of absorption that carried this slowly back up, where sellers got exhausted. And then we touched the top of an unfinished business area. That's all order flow related stuff. As far as this idea of keeping it a little bit simpler on TradingView, you got your initial balance, high-low, the first hour of trading session, okay, and you have your VWAP there. You could ignore everything else I have. I do look at levels, and as you see, weekly lows, monthly opens, yesterday lows, close, all that. It's just not by coincidence they're working, okay? But they do. Then I go to my order flow, and then I look for a really aggressive entry in. That just in different little order flow tools that gets me confirmed in. So we took the slow 7.5 point ride up here. It was actually 8 points. I took off at 7.5, and we're done at $375 for a contract for the day. Took off here for the lunch hour with the wife for lunch. Come back in and see that we did have another, move right back down, into VWAP area. In fact, it blew by it and was supported by yesterday's low. So you just can't make this stuff up, guys. You keep watching these things and keep following these levels, keep following these things every day. It doesn't, on a big range day, you're going to identify that by a different pattern. When you keep watching it, you're going to identify and know that. On a range day, you're going to identify that. By watching these things day in and day out, you're going to identify what opportunity you have to exploit, and then just get your points and get on out of there, okay? So definitely consider using these tools if you're a futures day trader. I see them working out there on different things, stocks and intraday time frame wise, and even potentially Forex. I don't really care for any of that because I like to trade order flow, and order flow's transparency is in the futures markets. Okay, so all right, everybody, have a good day, and try to put these kind of charts together. If you're interested in what I'm using, just holler at me and let me know. Also, we have our external channel. If you follow the name of my username here on this channel, then you can find us on YouTube. All right, then. Everyone have a good rest of your week. Oh, and again, looking at a macro time frame, there's nothing secret about a monthly cycle pulling back 3 days in a row here on a daily chart. Anyone that's done a trader gives me a call all the time. Markets, the sky is falling. If you don't know, that's just you're not knowing. But day traders, we know this is our opportunities. Anyways, all right then, everybody. Again, have a good rest of your week here. Closing out tomorrow, whatever is on the agenda. Some traders don't trade Fridays. I trade any day I see an opportunity. I have a time frame. I sit at my desk, and when I see an opportunity, I'm going to go for it. I'm scalping that order flow, and I'll stay in there longer if I can, because that's what the order flow shows me. If it grants me an opportunity to stay in longer, I'm going to stay in them, and I'm going to be done. I don't care if it's Friday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't care what day it is. I do want to trade when it's the main liquidity for the market, which in this case, ES, is during the Wall Street, New York session trading hours. All right, everyone. If you want any help with any of this stuff, shoot me a message. Thanks.